Hey everyone, it's Miss Oliveri and I'm here with my friend Rashid today, and we're going to show you how to play the math game for today. So the math game is called Oh No 99 Chart Game. So before we get started, you're going to need to get out a few things. The first thing you need is going to be the 99 chart. Looks like this in your packet. If you don't have one of those, that's okay. You can print one off. You're also going to need some number cards. If you have a deck of cards, you can use those. If not, that's okay. I didn't have a deck of cards, so what I did is I wrote numbers 1 through 10 on a piece of paper, and I cut them out to make these cards. So I have numbers 1 through 10 written on all these cards. You're also going to need some counters to be your Game Boy pieces. I'm going to use this blue square, and Rashid is going to use this pink square, or our movers. You can use counters for your movers. Okay. So we're going to get started. I'm going to go first. So I am going to start off, we're both going to start off on the 0 on this chart. Okay? And I got an 8. So after you pick your card, look at your number. And I'm the blue, so I'm going to move him. Ooh. I'm going to move my piece 8 squares. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After you're done moving, take your card and put it at the bottom of your pile, okay? Rashid's going to pick a card now. And he got, what did he get? He got a 7, okay? So now he's going to move. He's the pink. So he's going to take his and move 7 spots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, and he put it at the bottom of the deck. So my pile on the table is facing down, and we're just picking cards off the top. So then I'm going to go again. It's my turn again. I got a 3. Okay, so right now I'm on the 8, so I'm going to count 3 more spots. So that's 1, 2, 3. And I landed on the 11 because 3 more than 8 is 11. And you're just going to keep going, taking turns. Whoever gets to the end first wins, okay? If you're playing with a deck of cards, there are extra rules on the next slide for what to do with the ace and the king and the queen and the jack cards. But if you're not playing with an actual deck of cards, you can just use these rules. So remember, if you're playing with a deck of cards, look at the next slide for a few extra rules. If you have any questions at all, please let us know. We're more than happy to help. Have a great day.